Hey, what's going on, lovely people? First of all, my name is Aline, and I am here because I want to talk to you about the health of your nails. So, who here has suffered with nail fungus before and actually did a treatment, but after you finish the treatment, the fungus just came back? It happens. There are people who do suffer from that because they did the wrong treatment or because the treatment wasn't good enough. So that's why I'm here, because there is a really great treatment that can help you eliminate any type of nail fungus forever, for the long term. And it's called Metanail Complex. So that's why I'm here today, because I just want to show you what Metanail Complex is and how this natural supplement can help you guys for the best. So if you intend on purchasing Metanail, I will be leaving the very unofficial webpage just here below this video in the description box. It is very, very important that you get it from the official webpage only, because first of all, they're only selling it over there. You'll make a safe and secure purchase and receive the original Metanail Complex, okay? So, Metanail Complex is like a 20-in-1 supplement. This is actually a supplement that will do good for both your toenails and your hand nails, especially as well the skin around your nails. Let's talk about fungus. There is a lot of funguses out there that can just, grab hold of people's nails and stay there forever. But the more you leave the fungus there, the more the fungus will spread out and worsen. So Metanail is great because once you start using it, you see it will basically go directly to where the fungus is and cut it from the root. So it will totally eliminate it and kill it. And also, guys, it will start to do a full cleanse of that fungus, removing it forever, not leaving any traces of it, and restore the health of your nail, making sure the nail grows healthily layer by layer and just bringing back all the strength it needs. So this is like a natural supplement that has all the nutrients, minerals, and vitamins that your nail needs to grow healthy and stronger. So what makes Metanail Complex so good is that, even after you finish your treatment with it, there will be no more future outbreaks because it will create a protective shield around your nails, not letting any type of fungus come in. Also, it's very good for your skin under your nail as well. Under our nails, we have that part of skin, that part of meat, right? That's just so sensitive. It's going to protect that as well, making sure that nothing comes in under your nails. Also, guys, the skin around your nails. If your skin is always like prickly and hard, and it's just like, it has that sometimes small skin that you peel back and it hurts a lot, that's because maybe your skin is lacking some sort of moisturization or hydration or vitamin. But Metanail will take care of it, helping it to restore the skin's health and just, maintain it very healthy as well. So Metanail Complex is suitable for everyone. It is safe and it has no side effect or contradictions. You just have to remember that it is a treatment that needs to be taken very, very seriously. Also, if you need a refund, you can just request it on the official webpage, okay? So guys, it's the summer. It's time to, get your flip-flops out, get your sandals out, and start wearing them. And if you have fungus on it, use Metanail. That in just a few weeks, you're going to realize how your nails are going to be so much more better, okay? Thanks for watching this video, friends. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!